Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. You only need simple ingredients to make these delicious dessert cups. Whisk 800 ml of fresh milk with 1 egg yolk and 3 tablespoons of wheat starch in a large bowl. In a small pan, melt 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and continue to cook until caramelized. Add 200 ml of milk cream and dissolve the caramel by whisking. Add the milk mixture and cook by whisking until boils and thickens. Take half of the caramel cream in a bowl and mix with 80 grams of dark chocolate. Fill half of the cups with chocolate cream and the other half with caramel cream. After being cooled, decorate as desired and serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!